Give me 5. Good job. Are you standing up and giving Mama 5? Whoa, almost fell down. Mama got you, don't worry. Give me 5. Give me 5. Good job, good job. You're getting so good at that. Want to sit down? Here we go. Do you have the world's ugliest socks on? Here, pull yourself up. Where you going? Oh, pick it up. There you go. Go for it. Hey, give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Good job. Lexus. Lexus. Woohoo, look at Mama. Lexus.